Hello everyone. Welcome to PreyoPhonie. Before changing any camera settings, there's one very important thing you must check. Because even the best settings won't help if this part is ignored. Let's start step by step. Step 1. Check camera lens cleanliness. First of all, make sure your camera lens is clean. If your lens has dust, fingerprints, or smudges, then no matter how perfect your settings are, you will never get sharp photos or videos. So clean your camera lens properly. Otherwise, all these settings will be useless. Step 2. Camera format settings. Now open Settings. Go to Camera. Then tap on Formats. What to select? Make sure High Efficiency is selected. This format gives you better image quality, smaller file size, more efficient storage. If it's not enabled, turn it on immediately. Step 3. Video recording settings. Now go back and tap Record Video. Select 1080p HD at 60 FPS. This gives you smooth motion, excellent video quality, perfect balance between quality and storage. Step 4. PAL format. Important for Flickr issue. Now turn on Show PAL formats. After turning it on, select 1080p HD at 25 FPS PAL. This helps reduce light flickering caused by artificial lights. Important. After recording in PAL format, go back again. Turn Record Video back to 1080p HD at 60 FPS. This way you get no flicker, smooth final video. Step 5. Lock white balance must enable. Scroll down and turn on Lock white balance. This is extremely important because it prevents color shifting, keeps skin tones natural, maintains consistent lighting in videos. For professional-looking videos, this must be on. Step 6. Slow motion settings. Now tap on Record Slow-Mo. Select 1080p HD at 240 FPS. This gives you ultra-smooth slow motion, best quality slow motion footage. Perfect for cinematic shots. Step 7. Preserve camera settings. Go to Preserve Settings. Turn on these 3 options. Camera mode. Creative controls. Live photo. These are very important because your camera won't reset every time. Saves time. Keeps your preferred shooting style ready. Step 8. Extra useful camera options. You can also turn on Show QR codes. Show detected text. These features help with scanning QR codes quickly. Copying text directly from images. Optional but very useful. Step 9. Composition settings. Now go to Composition. Turn on Grid. Level. These help you frame shots perfectly. Keep photos straight and balanced. Also turn on Mirror Front Camera. This prevents the front camera from flipping images unnaturally and keeps selfies more accurate. Step 10. Prioritize faster shooting. Turn on Prioritize faster shooting. This helps capture moments instantly, especially useful for moving subjects. Step 11. Smart HDR, very important. Make sure Smart HDR is on. This improves dynamic range, details and highlights and shadows, overall photo quality, a must-have setting. Step 12. Lock focus and exposure. When using the camera, tap on the screen. Long press until it turns yellow. This locks focus. Exposure. Perfect for consistent lighting and professional shots. Step 13. Best camera filters. For general content creation, use Vivid Filter. It works great for videos, photos, social media content. Colors look more punchy and attractive. Step 14. Portrait mode settings. Go to Portrait mode. Select Natural. This gives realistic skin tones, clean and professional look. No overprocessing. Best choice for portraits and videos. That's it. These are the best iPhone camera settings for photos and videos. Set them once, and your camera quality will improve instantly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to PreyoPhonie. See you in the next one. Stay connected.